In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to log in to your Wrike account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side panel. You'll see a variety of icons and we want to focus on the Search tool. Go ahead and click on that Search tool. This is your gateway to finding all sorts of resources within Wrike. Now, in the search bar, you're going to type the word blueprints. Hit enter or click on the search icon and you'll see a list of results pop up. Look for the option that specifically mentions blueprints and select that to proceed. This will take you to the blueprint section where you can view your existing blueprints or create new ones. Next, it's crucial to make sure that you're working in the right area. In the sidebar, there's a tab called the Current Space. Click on that to verify that you're managing blueprints within your intended working area. This step is essential, especially if you're part of multiple teams or projects, as it ensures that you're not mixing up different blueprints from various spaces. Now that you've settled on the right space, it's time to design your setup. You'll see various prompts and layout options available to you. This is where the real fun begins. Use these prompts and options to start building your reusable project structure. Think about what elements are crucial to your typical projects. This could include task lists, timelines, or even specific roles within your team. While designing, make sure to be thoughtful about how you organize your tasks. You want to create a structure that not only meets your current needs, but is also flexible enough to adapt for future projects. Take advantage of any reusable elements that Wrike offers, such as templates or predefined fields, to streamline your work and make future projects even easier to manage. As you work through the setup, don't hesitate to explore all available features. Wrike has some great tools to make your project management efficient. You can add custom fields if necessary, assign tasks to specific team members, or even set deadlines. If you find that you need additional resources, Wrike offers various integration options to connect third-party applications that you might already be using. Once you're happy with your blueprint, ensure you save your work. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before moving forward. When you save your blueprint, you'll be able to easily access it the next time you kick off a project, which will save you time and effort in the long run. And there you have it. You've created a blueprint in Wrike. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key to effective project management is using tools like blueprints to streamline your processes and ensure that your projects run smoothly. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips on how to make the most of your tools. Happy project managing!